Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. The factory method pattern is a creational design pattern that provides an interface for creating objects in a superclass but allows subclasses to alter the type of objects that will be created. This pattern promotes loose coupling between the creator class and the products it creates, allowing for easy extension and maintenance of the code. In Python, the factory method pattern can be implemented using a base class with a factory method that subclasses override to create specific types of objects. This allows clients to create instances of classes without needing to know the exact class they are creating. Here is an example implementation of the factory method pattern in Python. In this example, we have a base class animal representing the product interface with a speak method. We have two concrete product classes dog and cat that implement the animal interface. The animal factory is the creator class with an abstract factory method create_animal. Subclasses dog factory and cat factory override this factory method to create specific instances of dog and cat objects. Finally, the client code demonstrates how to use the factory method pattern to create instances of dog and cat objects without knowing the specific class being instantiated. This pattern is useful when you want to decouple the client code from the concrete classes being created, making it easier to add new types of objects in the future without modifying existing client code.